Good morning, students. In the last class that we have in our school, we have completed what are rational numbers, comparison of rational numbers, and comparison between rational numbers, and how to write a rational number in the standard form, and how to arrange the rational numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay, friends. So we have completed up to this much, and next one is we have also completed how to represent a rational number on a number line. Okay. So now number line or real line. Now we will discuss about addition of rational numbers. How to do the addition of rational numbers. So here the condition, one condition is written: if two rational numbers are to be added, if two rational numbers are to be added, we should convert each of them into a rational number with positive denominator. That means the denominator has to be positive. So in the case where the denominators are already positive, there we don't have to do anything. But in some cases you may get a denominator with negative denominator. In such cases you have to convert these rational numbers into positive denominators. Okay, so how can you convert? I have explained you in the last class at your school, but now as we are discussing this chapter, I will make you again, I will revise it so that you can remember. Okay, now suppose a rational number is given like 8 by minus 11. So how to make the denominator? Here see, the denominator is given as negative 8 by minus 11. So how can we make it? How can we make the denominator positive? Here the denominator is minus 11, and how can we make it positive? If we make it positive, it will be plus 11 or only 11. So how can we do it? 8 into and then minus 11 into. Okay, so now if we multiply this minus 11 with minus 1, it will become positive, because minus 11 into minus 1 will give you plus 11. Minus will be converted into plus. Minus into minus will be converted into plus. So minus 11 into minus 1 is plus 11. And as you have multiplied the denominator with minus 1, you have to multiply the numerator also with minus 1. So here we will multiply the numerator with minus 1. So what we get here? Minus 8. 8 into minus 1 is minus 8, because plus, in case of 8 the sign is plus. Here is 8 has nothing, means what? There is no sign before 8. That means the 8 has the positive sign. So positive into plus into minus will give me minus, and 8 into 1 is 8. So 8 into minus 1 is minus 8 by minus 11 into minus 1 will give me how much? 11. So in this way we have to convert the negative denominators into positive denominators. Okay, so let us take another example. Suppose 2 by minus 15. How we can convert this into here also the denominator is negative, so how can we convert the denominator into positive? Simple, as I explain you. 2 into, you also try by odd. Okay, 2 by minus 15 I have written. So here is minus 15, so I have to multiply with minus 1. Okay, as I have multiplied the denominator with minus 1, I have to multiply the numerator also with minus 1. So what we get? 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 by minus 15 into minus 1. That means minus 15 into minus 1 will give me only 15. So in this way we have to convert the negative denominators to positive denominators. Okay friends, I hope you have understood. Now we will go to case 1. How there will be two cases of addition of rational numbers. First case is where the denominator will be same when given numbers have same denominator. Okay, so we will understand with some examples. So here the denominators are same. So let us take an example. Suppose a number is given like add the following rational numbers. Add the following rational numbers. I have taken from exercise 1C, page number 10, that you can find from your book. Question number 1, Roman 5. Okay, so you can try, you can check the question from your book also. So add, what we have to add here, add 5 by 6 and minus 1 by 6. So this here, what happened in this type of cases, what we have the same denominators. So when the denominators are same, here is also what, 5 by 6 and minus 1 by 6, the denominators are same. So how can we add this? So we have to write like this, 5 by 6 plus minus 1 by 6. Okay, here plus into minus will give me, plus into minus is minus. So 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is equal to, so what is the denominator here? 6. Here is also 6. So we have to write the in the answer the denominator will be the 6 only, because here we have same denominators. So in case of answer also we will get the denominator as 6. So 5 minus 1 is equal to how much? 4. 4 by 6. So answer is 4 by 6. Now if you want, you can cancel it. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So the answer is, ultimate answer is 2 by 3. Okay. We can try another example, like suppose it is given as add minus 17, that is 6. Okay, number 6, minus 17 by 15 and minus 1 by 15 and minus 1 by 15. So how can we add it? Minus 17 by 15 plus minus 1 by 15. So minus 17 by 15 minus plus minus will give me minus 1 by 15. In here also the denominator is same, so write the denominator in the result also, the denominator will be the same, that is 15, and here is what, minus 17 and minus 1, that means minus 18 by, the answer will be minus 18 by, the net answer will be minus 18 by 15. Okay, the minus is this one, minus 18 by 15. Okay students, I hope you have understood. You go through it. Thank you very much.